Hi, I'm Billy Bohn, and I'm here to talk to you about Bird B Gone's Repeller 360. Ensure the mounting surface is clean of bird feces and debris before installing any bird deterrent. The Repeller 360 should be installed in a horizontal position to allow repeller arms to spin freely. Stick the included predator eyes to the center of the outward-facing side of the flags. Press firmly, smooth wrinkles, and air bubbles. Install the Repeller 360 in locations where birds commonly perch or sit. Gulls, for instance, like to land into the wind and usually prefer the stern of a boat. Unfold the arms so the flags are positioned opposite of each other. The flags should be above the metal arms in the open position. Ideal for canvases or uneven surfaces, the sandbag base weighs the Repeller 360 down and is easy to store away and reuse. Attach the Repeller 360 circular base directly on top of the sandbag base plate with the screws supplied. Although the sandbag base is weighted, it should always be secured to the boat using the side loops located on each side of the sandbag base. The boat base can be used to secure the Repeller 360 around masts or spreaders. Cross arms with eyelets wrap around poles and can be secured with bungee cords. The boat base installs directly to the bottom of the Repeller 360 and comes with all necessary hardware. Used to attach the Repeller 360 to handrails or piping. The rail mount is an adjustable C-clamp that opens up to 1 7/8 inch and attaches to the base of the Repeller 360 with screws. When storing the unit, fold the repeller arms parallel with each other. This will remove the strain exerted on the center block of the unit. Simply unfold the repeller arms when ready to use the Repeller 360 again. For more information about Bird B Gone products, please visit birdbgone.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bird control videos.